2002 Chevrolet Avalanche SU5 4-wheel drive. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, 5/8, 4WD air conditioning, CD player and dash, OnStar communication system, power steering, power door locks, power windows, clock, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, cloth upholstery, AM/FM radio, tonneau cover, bucket seats, fog lamps, daytime running lights, trailer towing hitch, power driver's seat, center console, heated outside mirror S, electrochromatic rear view mirror, privacy glass, power mirrors, keyless entry system, programmable garage opener, illuminated entry system, rear window defroster, anti-theft security system, dual airbags, intermittent wipers, anti-lock braking system, anti-lock brake system, side airbag system,